Hello friends, thanks for joining me today. I am going to review some items that Teemu sent me. They reached out and said, hey, would you review some items for us? They're a great cost. We think your viewers will like them. I said, sure. And they let me choose some items. They let me choose the items I wanted to review. So grab a cup of whatever you love. I'm drinking hot tea. I know, it's summer. I'm a weirdo. I love my hot tea. Grab your lemonade, grab your whatever you like to drink on, and watch all the goodies that I got. And I'm gonna put the prices on the screen while you're watching because I'm not gonna remember how much all the prices were of these items. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start out with, I have these things all laid out on my table, and I'm gonna just start out and we're just gonna dig in. Let's just dig in. First thing I'm going to show you is this silicone mat. This is what I have on my craft table that I craft on. I feel like it's the same quality that I got mine on Amazon, which probably came from China too. But it is so easy to wash and keep clean. The glue just peels right off of it. The paint just washes right off of it. This one is this size, so it's pretty good size. And putting the price on the screen. Nice product. The next items I have, I did not take them out of the package, but I have these, which ones are these? These are some farmhouse stencils. I wanted to have everything open so I wasn't rattling packages. Excuse me, because I know that's very annoying. Let me rattle some packages because I didn't take the stencils out, but we might want to see what the stencils look like. Okay, oh, this might be seasonal. I don't know what this is. Well, because, no, there's a basket of eggs. That I'm thinking Easter. No, this is a basket of eggs because we have hens and chicks. How cute are these? These are very farmhouse. They're much bigger than I thought they were going to be. All of these are in one package. Are you counting? I forgot to count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in that little package. Okay, so that's one package. Here's the next package. This one has 12 in it. It usually tells you on the package how many are in there. I should have put the prices of the items on the package and then I put it, but I took everything out of the packages except the stencils. Okay, these are some more farmhouse, some more chickens. Man, I must have been on the chicken kick that day. No, there's not just chickens. We're starting out with chickens, okay. Look how cute. These will be so fun for farmhouse, DIYs, summer DIYs, woof woof, if you're a doggy fan. Cute, cute bunny. Okay, I'm looking forward to these. I'm not a huge stencil fan. Welcome to our farmhouse. Okay, I'm hurrying because I got a lot of stuff to get through. Ducks from the 1990s. Beautiful horse. These are really pretty. Piggy, I won't make the pig sound for you. Oh, that's cute. It's got the pig and the cow, the pig, and what is that? Cow, the pig, and something else. Something else over there, I can't tell. Maybe when you stencil it, you can. Oh my gosh, look at this cute little pig. Oh, I want to go create now. I'll see you in the craft cottage. Cute little goat. I feel like this would be really cute by itself too. Like you don't have, nobody's going to put this down and stencil it. You have to use all these items. You're going to put a lot of grass down there. You're going to put this on there. You're going to put, and a cute little sheep. That's a nice little set. And these were very, very nicely priced. Okay, next 20. There are 20 pieces in this set. And these are more rectangular. We have peppermint. We have goldenrod. We have sage. We have holy basil. Well, I don't know, lavender. This would be cute if you were gonna do like something that looked, I love this one. I don't know what it's called, but if you were gonna do something that almost had like blocks, almost like the quilted look, where you had like maybe 9 blocks and then made like something for the porch. Rosemary. It doesn't really look like rosemary at all. Tell me if you think that looks like rosemary. No, that doesn't look like rosemary. But anyway, it's cute. Wormwood, parsley, and eyebright. I feel like that just the herbs would be cute without the names too. Okay, very good. A ton of them in there. Now this one I was very interested in because I love to have my crafts organized. Okay, and this one has a hole up here and a ring. I'm gonna poke holes in all those other ones and put them on here too. You know I'm gonna do that. Okay, we have a bee. I can't show them all to you good now that I put them on the ring, I guess, because I'm gonna be fumble fingers here. We have another kind of bee. We have another kind of bee. These are all bees. So every one of them are bees. A bee with a laurel wreath and a crown and that little hexagon. Oh my gosh, these are cute. I'm not gonna show you all of them. They're cute. You can go on their website or have the app and look those up, okay? Okay, next I'm gonna show you, I'm just gonna go with what I have right here in front of me. This fabric, I think they're probably, what do you think? Maybe 8 by 8 or 8 or 9 inch, 25 centimeters, whatever that is, okay? And it came with, I don't know, 6, 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces of this different kinds of black and white fabric. So I always want different ribbons or whatever to make shabby bows. And so I thought this would be great to do shabby bows with, because then I could just snip it and rip it and then have these different colors of black and different patterns on there. I'm not even showing you good. Okay, anyway, this is great. It's just regular old fabric, but fabric has gotten so expensive. Now, I tested out my next item, which are these pinking shears. And you know, pinking shears, good pinking shears are hard to find. And I'm always a little leery of plastic handle things because I feel like, or scissors, because I feel like they're gonna be cheap, but these are weighty. They feel really good. And I did use them to cut this fabric, and it cut really easy and really nice. Can you see that? Okay, so that's with the pinking shears. Pinkers, we used to call them pinkers when I was a kid. Okay, you did not get Mama's pinkers to cut your paper or do a craft project with because, ooh, you would get in trouble. Okay, that's those. The next 3 items are aprons. Okay, the first apron I got obviously is for the salon. Now, this is not adjustable, but after wearing aprons in the salon for years, this is beautiful and it's thick. I don't know how much it's gonna keep stuff off of me, like if it will absorb, the color will absorb into it, but I have learned that you can pull this, you can just tie a little knot right here in it if it's too long. Like I like for mine to come up like here because I could drop something here too, you know. I could drop my lunch there. But you can tie a little knot in it like that, you know, and then have it shorter. And then there's this one, and I like it because it has this little thing so you can adjust it. So you can put it on, you can adjust it wherever you want if you want it shorter. And this one is really nice too. I'm short, so aprons, I usually end up, you know, doing them like that. So this one's really cute. Also, here's one with watermelons. I have a friend who collects watermelons like I collect strawberries. This one is not adjustable. So I'm gonna have those prices on the screen. All the prices will be on the screen. They have all different widths of painter's tape. I got these more narrow ones because my Dollar Tree never has the narrow ones. It always only ever has the wide ones. So I bought the narrow ones. I didn't buy them. They gave them to me. A brayer. We always need a brayer for when you're decoupaging or you need to get something down or really nice and smooth and flat. A brayer works great. This is a nice little brayer. Very simple brayer. Next, I got what I thought I was getting twine. It's more like a yarn-ish. So I bought it in black and white, and this is what it looks like. It's cotton twine, but it's a thick cotton twine. I was expecting it to be a little thinner, but I got it in black and it's not really white, it's beige. I thought I was getting white, but it's more of a beige. It's even called beige. So I got those two. I love my chiffon lace. So this is how it comes. It comes in these little packages like this, or sometimes it comes 3 colors to a package. But I decided I wanted white and then this really pretty, almost champagne color, and then this ivory color. But I'm going to show you, it comes like this, all tied up, and then you just pull that off. And then, so pretty. I love this stuff. Absolutely love this stuff. Okay, so there's that. I got paintbrushes. This is a bag of 50 paintbrushes, and they're small and they're cheap. But if you've ever heard me talk, I don't really take good care of my paintbrushes unless they're, well, if I have really nice expensive ones, I do. But these are going to be great for small projects. A pack of 10 chippy brushes. They're nice. They don't have any writing on here. So, you know, I've heard of people doing laser engraving or putting designs on the handles. So that might be good for this. They were a great price. And then this set, there are 10 of the round, 10 of the round tipped ones and 10 of the flat tipped ones. So there's 20 total in this package. These are so easy to make and so inexpensive to make, but if you can get them inexpensively already made, let's buy them already made inexpensively, right? Package of 10. They came in this little package of 10, and I did the math and they came out fairly inexpensive. Price will be on the screen. Also, just while we're talking, I bought 2 lip pencils because I love my lipstick. I bought a dark cherry color one, and I bought kind of a rosy colored one. And when I put it on my skin, it feels really smooth. I think I'm gonna really like these. We'll see how long they stay on. So you be watching and see if you can tell when I wear those, and make a comment. Do you have on your Teemu lip liner? And if I remember, I'll say yes. And if I don't, I'll be like, I don't remember what I have on today. Okay, I got a package of these. I love these. I love to use these. And they have 4 in here. So there must be 5 packages of them because there's 20 total. 20 of them in this bag for this price. Okay, moving along. Love these. And you know, I use them a few times and then they get nasty because I don't wash them out soon enough. So 15 of them for this price. My makeup brushes. I don't know how well these are gonna work, but we'll see. The price was great. There are 20 of them in this package. Then here is this heat tool. Came in a box. It's purple. Purple's not my favorite color, but you know, purple works. And we'll see how good it works. I didn't have a chance to use it. It tells you that the nozzle may be hot, be careful. And it came with these 2 little silicone spatulas to boot for this price. 40 of these little tiny daubers. 40 of them for this price. What have I not shown you yet? Okay. How about this? How about this? Oh my goodness, what else can I show you? Love these little alphabet. There are 270 pieces. 270 pieces in here. Cute, cute, cute. I'm definitely going to be using those. Stay tuned and see how I use those. Okay, I got these little antique keys. Oh my gosh, I have a thing for antique keys. But these were already kind of painted different colors. The ones I usually get are just all gold and antique looking. But these were like this one was already this color. And then there's a copper one. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's about 8 of them, or 8 or 10 of them here. And I also got this little pack of 2 hexagon shaped containers. I told you I like my organization, so I thought I could just pop these little keys down in here for storage. Voila. Also got these 2 little storage containers. It came in a set of 2 with these little locking lids. They'll be great to store these in once I open them. Right? Or when that ribbon starts going crazy, you just pop it in here. And it fits in there perfectly. Good answer. Perfect. Okay, what else have I not shown you? I got these molds. They are not IOD quality, but look, they're gonna be pretty. I'll use them, or I will maybe do a giveaway. Maybe some of these items I'll put in a giveaway. So Tammy from Tales from an Empty Nest did some gummies, homemade gummies on her channel that looked so easy. She made it look so easy. So I ordered some molds to do gummies. It comes with a little dropper. It comes with 4 trays, hearts, dinosaurs, bears, and donuts, I guess. Next item is going to be these little finger sanders. Love my finger sanders. Oh my gosh. It comes with all this sandpaper. There are 71 pieces. So this piece and 70 pieces of sandpaper that you get. And it's like Velcro. So the back of this sticks to this. And it's so easy to use. And oh my goodness, you can just, it works so good. Florals. Could not pass up the florals. So 7 pieces of them. They smell like plastic. Not gonna lie. Not a good smell. It's not bad smell, it's just plastic. Okay, this is what they look like. I'm just gonna show you. They're plastic. There's 7 of them for this price. Okay, these are plastic. They smell like plastic. I'm just weird with smells, okay? There are, how many in this package? I think there were 8 in here. I think there's, how many? I wrote it down. There are 8. There are 8 bunches of these in here. And they're nice. They're nice for DIYs. Or, you know, I can put them in a vase. I can use them, definitely. I mean, they're gonna be great for like a swag on top of a wood round. They're bendable. Put a bow in the middle. Maybe put a few of those florals in there. I don't, if you like these florals, make a bow. In the center, put it on a wood round, put it on your front door. Bam, DIY done, right? These flowers, they came like this, but I'm going to tell you that I've ordered these before, and when you get them, you just have to ooh, there was something coming out of that. You just have to unsmush them. They will unsmush. Okay. And they got hairs growing on them. I think it's hot glue strings. We don't know anything about that, right? Okay, so you just have to unsmush them. But they are so pretty. Do you see right there? Up there? Where am I? Ooh, right there. That's a garland of these. So they're really pretty. The petals are really soft fabric. These are really nice. And price is on the screen. Look, I could just get married. No, I'm already married. I could just be a bridesmaid. This color is beautiful. It's my favorite color. And it talks about Jesus, Waymaker, Miracle Worker, Promise Keeper, Light in the Darkness, from Isaiah 42:16. Price is here. Thanks for watching my shopping haul, my fun madness. Stay tuned to see how I use these items in crafting. Most of all, remember to be still and know that He is God.